Hi, my name is Mikayla Buford. I'm majoring in computer science. I'm a senior this year and I'm from Plainfield, Illinois. So I decided to come to UW-Madison because I had the chance between my junior and senior year of high school to do a STEM immersion program here, and I had a wonderful opportunity to meet some of the current students, and I just fell in love being here in this big campus. I got a really great scholarship also to come, so that helped to sweeten the deal. So I decided to major in computer science because when I was younger, my parents put me into some women in STEM immersion programs during the summertime, and I got to learn about engineering and about like math applications, and most importantly, computer science. And just the programming exercises and like the online games that they had us do were just so much fun. I felt like I was just like cracking a code and solving a problem. And I liked just figuring out how to, make the solution in my own mind, and then I had to like translate it into another language, and I just thought that was such a powerful skill. I thought about doing engineering, and so that's kind of what led me to looking at Madison, because it was a great engineering school here. But once I entered in and I was in the engineering major, I just found that I wasn't getting all of what I really wanted. I wanted to learn how to code and to program. And I had some really great professors like Deborah Depler here in the computer science department to encourage me to just switch into computer science and do it. All the resources were here to help me succeed. So I made the switch, and I'm so happy because I'm just proud to know that I am becoming a computer scientist. So that's been really great. So last semester I applied to some grad school programs. So right now it's like hearing back interviewing time. So hopefully I will be able to get into a human-computer interaction and design program. So I chose to apply to human-computer interaction programs because I wanted to study a little bit more about user-centered design. I've gotten a good kind of introduction into that here at Madison through the Intro to Human-Computer Interaction class and the Building User Interface class that was offered last fall. And I just think it's so great to have like the technical background that I've gained in my intro classes, that are now kind of focusing on how do I design the exterior of it. I can make a great system, but if it's hard for someone to understand like how to use it, or it's not serving the purpose that it really can, that's a problem. I want to be able to know kind of the front and back of a system, and I guess kind of figure out, do I want to be more on the front end or the back end? And I think front end to me is really exciting because I get to kind of think more about people when I'm doing that. In terms of the summer, I'll be doing a research internship at Microsoft, so that'll be really fun. I'll be working with a pair of women researchers on this project called HairNet, and we're pretty much looking at using hair as a new interface for communication and just exploring that kind of ubiquitous computing more, but through hair. So we have these hair extensions that have conductive thread in them, and we're trying to see if we can kind of create a new language using the hair in the way that you like push it behind your ear or you stroke it. It could be used in terms of like security for women if they feel uncomfortable in a certain situation. They can communicate to somebody in a room that, I don't feel comfortable in this situation. It can be used for performance art in a way that it kind of will control lights or it'll control sounds. It can just be used for people to just message each other like, hey, I'm ready to go to lunch, and just kind of think about like what capabilities does that have. So yeah.